Hi. Hi, everyone.
Hey,
Hey.
Rajesh, can I share my screen? So, Lali, the first one is mine, please. And it's waiting for around 10 minutes. Okay, you can go.
Yeah, go ahead.
Rajesh, so I'm Rajeshwar గారు నమస్తే నేను విజేంద్ర నేను స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేస్తున్నాను ఇది కెన్ ఐ సీ మై స్క్రీన్ కెన్ యూ సీ మై స్క్రీన్
Yeah, just yes, I can.
Okay, so when I select the all months, so it is showing me like the difference between increase and decrease. So when I select the 1 month, so it is not relevant to the previous record or previous month.
No, the problem here is when you are using table calculation, right? When you are using single month,
Uh-huh.
right? Then it will actually, when you are using single month, what happens is there is no previous month to compare, right?
Right.
Hence, you are not getting that out.
Yeah, right.
So I don't think there is any possible way to do that with the dimensional filter.
Mm-hmm.
In my channel, there is a video how to not show like you can use if rank greater than zero, then this month of created, right? That will
If
give you
mm,
what do you say a month which will adhere to your table calculations. That way you can do, but month level filtering if you do and if you do, then you will not have the previous value, right? Or do one thing
mm-hmm.
rather than using a filter, use a parameter. Okay.
Okay.
In the parameter, write a logic in such a way that your current month and previous month, both the values will remain and hide the previous month values. But again, that will give you a problem. Or you can write a logic in such a way that if first is okay, let me share my screen.
Yeah. So I'll give you the scenario with the superstore.
No, I got it. It's not about what in here. See,
Customer segment,
yeah. So
order
I
date,
can take
customer segment,
subcategory
and the count of the all records.
order.
Order date
Okay.
to be the filter, and customer segment will be the in filter
Order date at the month level, right?
at the month level, right?
Okay. And
And
will the
customer
selection
segment
of
would be the first any customer segment
segment, yeah.
to be filter out to consumer,
Okay.
and the number of records in the customer segment. Not this one, order count.
Okay.
Yeah, that should be compared between 2 months, last month, current month.
Here, right? This is what you want
Yeah,
to do.
yeah.
Now the
I want to
problem.
comparison between the last month and previous month. If I just select the January 2019, so it should be compared with the December
I
2018.
got your requirement, but the problem is when you are doing previous value, right? Yeah, generally what the previous value is. Right? This is what our difference is.
Yeah, difference.
So if you bring it here, this is what you do. But here your problem is when you show filter and you select only one month, any month, it is not showing your previous month value. It's just showing you the value, right?
Yeah,
The
right.
difference is not.
Yes. So
Now,
because it's a table down, and in that table particularly only one value.
so here the problem is in there itself. You are doing a table calculation and your dimensional filter is has a priority higher than that of your table calculation.
Right, right.
So just to calculate the difference, there should be a previous month value which is not present right now in the. As it is not
Right,
present, it is not getting calculated.
right, right.
But I don't see any workaround for this. Now, tell me one thing. Here, the month selection will be there can be multiple month selection or 1 month selection.
Only 1 month selection.
Every time they'll only select 1 month.
Yeah, single value drop down.
So only if it is single value drop down, then you can do one thing, right? You can write you can create a parameter.
Yeah, I did create a parameter.
Yeah, so I'm coming to order date, create custom date, and in this I am taking months, date value, okay, converting this into discrete, and here on this I am creating a parameter,
Okay.
right? You can change the format in the way you want. So I'm bringing this parameter, and rather than having a filter in here, I'll be using this parameter. If
I did this workaround, but
no, just date diff with month, comma, order date, comma, parameter, order date months parameter, right?
right.
Is in 0, comma 1. Why am I taking 0, comma 1 as previous value
True.
and the previous month and the current month,
Right. Okay.
right? Then right else if uh, parameter order date months parameter is equal to all, then okay, we cannot use all of this date parameter. Okay, let me create a parameter. Month of order date. Hmm. Oh,
It should be string.
yeah.
Yeah.
When I do this, then okay, I'm creating parameter on this, right? Who and what thought so? The order is not coming properly.
Yeah, I can use date name instead of.
Okay, so you got this month and parameter.
Yeah, I got this.
Now, what you will do is the calculation that I have written, the same calculation. If I need to create a, you say, date out of it, let me do it. Date rather than taking month in here, And the calculation, the parameter that I have created, right? What is that parameter? Okay. Let me go to Opera and create. Now I have my parameter. Then sort these values further. Now, now once I have done this, or just a moment, rather than taking here, I can take in another. Yeah, let me take this. Yes, we got this as a string number, and I am creating a. Let me change this thing to. Let me create a parameter. Now you get or but again I need to change. Let's go with this only. Sorry for the confusion. I'm creating a parameter which I have all my date parameter. Okay. Now I am creating a calculated field where I am converting this into date because I need to use my date diff function, right? It
Yeah.
is 0 1. I'm just adding that date. Uh, uh, Plus my date parameter. This will give me my date of. Okay, I'm bringing my date of para. It will give you whatever month you have selected. Based on that, it will right. You're seeing this way. So it will giving you the proper date. Now
Yeah.
I will write a calculation. If right, if date differs month comma right, order date comma date of para in 0 or 1, then else if date of parameter 2 is equal to all, then negative no, positive number. Yes, okay, let me keep going. Okay, and I'm going to a new sheet, and here I'm bringing my order date and I'm bringing my month value, and then I'm bringing this calculation filter to apply. Now you'll be seeing two months.
Right.
There is an all date parameter, and here I'm also writing all. I'll move this all first. Let me check my calculation if I do it all. Yes. Now if you see, if I select all, I get all the months. Right?
Right.
If I select any month, I'll get that month plus previous month. So now I'm selecting all in here, and then I'm bringing this whatever count that you want, order count, right? And then I'm taking the difference. Not sum, it is count of orders minus lookup of count of orders comma minus. Now I will build this. This is your difference. Now, if someone
Difference.
selects any 1 month here, I'll be getting the difference is still there because the previous month is also present. Right?
Yeah.
Now,
Uh,
now I have to write one more calculation. If size of the total calculation is equal to 2, then first is equal to minus else. Now I'm bringing this calculation 4 into 2. Okay, let me select it 2, apply. Now when you select any 1 month, now the previous month value is hidden. You cannot see the previous month. But the value is present because in this calculation we are hiding. When I said first is equal to minus 1, I am hiding first is equal to 0, which is my first one. So here
right.
your value is still present, yet the value is
Right. Right.
not visible. But this will only work, this is parameter, right? This will only work on single selection because in parameter you don't
Single
have more
selection.
than one
Single
selection.
selection. Right.
So that is the reason I asked you in the starting. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, Rajeshwar.
Got
I
it.
want.
Got it.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you.
Rajeshwar.
Yeah.
Hi, Rajeshwar. I'm going to share my screen, right?
Just yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, Rajeshwar. So, are you getting my screen, right?
Not yet.
Now,
No.
it's coming, right? You're getting my screen, right?
Wait, it is about yes, now I'm getting.
Yeah, Rajesh. So, yesterday I told you, I created for this current month and previous month according to that selection parameter.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm looking for my difference, but it is not coming. Like it is coming something blank. It is coming. So I just directly
What
deducted.
difference is this?
Yeah, yeah,
What is this? What is your calculation? Different C month and P month. What is that?
yeah. Difference between current month and previous month.
Okay. Can you open that calculation?
Yeah. So I did.
Fixed category, month of order date. Sum of why did, what is your requirement?
I like my this year's sorry category wise according to month. This month sales minus previous month sales.
Why did you use a fixed element? You could have directly used that month filter in here, right? When you have accessories,
Okay.
right? You could have okay, when you select a month, you should get current month sales.
Previous month sales.
Again, when you select a month, now the problem is you cannot show the previous month in the same, then you can again you need to use parameter there, date parameter. And then when you select it, you can write it in such a way that you will get current month sales. Date diff is equal to 0 when it is current month. When it is previous month, date diff is equal to 1.
Yeah, no, that part is
Then
there
why did you
inside.
use LOD? LOD is not required, right?
Okay, so you can see here. So what is this thing? See, if you see that this is the subcategory. So in the subcategory for this year, this month it is showing like this, and this month is showing like this. So what I need to do with this two column? So I will get the difference.
See, when you are having both the months in the view, right, it
Okay.
is not possible to do that. Now, if you want to do that, then do one thing. For previous month, right, write a
Yeah.
calculation getting lookup of the previous month value. Right,
Okay. Can you tell me?
lookup of
About
that, what do you say? Previous month sale,
Okay.
comma minus 1.
-1.
Yeah.
Uh,
Okay, sum of previous month sale. Put that in aggregation. Yeah. Now bring that to the view. Bring put that calculation in the measure values. Yeah. Now you see 3309 in the same level you are getting 667.
Okay. So can I
Now
so now it
subtract
is
both of them.
okay.
Current month, sum of current month sales, sum of current sum of current month sales minus calculation first. Yeah. Now bring this to the view. Okay.
Yeah, Raj. Okay. Thank you, Raj.
Welcome. Okay. Yeah. Next,
Hi.
guys.
Hi, Rajeshwar. Prajakta this side.
Hey, Pradipta. Hi.
Hope you are doing good now. How's you?
Yeah. Recovering.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. My query is I have 2 years of data, like 2022 and 23, and fiscal year starts from the July. Okay.
Okay.
And in one of the table for 2022, we have only 5 month data, that is March, April, May, June.
Mhm.
4 months, sorry.
Mhm.
Okay. And July is starting from 23.
Okay.
So they want to hide March data of 2022,
You want to?
but uh, only the March data means if I put the fiscal year, means my date filled into the filter and selected month there. So it is showing all months of 2022 and all months of 23. But I want to hide that specific month March for only 22 year, not for 23. Means if in the filter I select 23 year, so March should be there in the filter. So how can I
Then you
do?
can directly write a calculation like that, right? You specifically want to hide March, then
Uh-huh.
you can write that condition clearly, right? If year of
If ordered.
order date is,
Uh,
I should have led you into the wrong window. If year of order date
uh-huh.
is equal to 2022 and month of order date is equal to 3, then false. Else, right?
Okay.
So here I'm just putting this in filter. I'm selecting two. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Now I am bringing my order date.
Hmm.
Let me take it down to the Yes. Now here you will not see March.
Oh, okay.
Here,
I was supposed to do like in the data source filter only I need to exclude the March, but still for 23 it is not coming the March. So it is so simple and I was doing so hard. Okay.
okay.
So let me try this. I will do this.
Great.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Rajeshwar. And get well soon.
Thank you. Yeah, guys. Any other doubts?
Yeah, Rajesh, and did you get any solution for that image, dynamic image?
No, man, I didn't. Actually, I didn't get time to open that because after doubt session, my day is totally hectic actually.
Oh, okay, Rajesh. Okay, thank
So
you.
I'm not sure. If I get time, I'll try to, but I can't promise that.
Oh, okay, okay, Rajesh. Okay.
Okay.
Awesome. Awesome.
Okay. Any more doubts, guys? Last 5 minutes for us.
Hi Rajesh, this is Umesh. Actually, I don't have doubt, but I have a question. Is there any new batch going to be started in
Pardon?
this month? Any new batch for Tableau training?
Oh, for Tableau training, yes. The new batch is going to start on 25th of this month.
And what will be the timing?
Pardon?
Timing?
Timing is 6 a.m. to 8 a.m.
6 a.m. to 8 a.m.
Yeah, because office earlier it was 7 to 9, but office has started, right? So people are
Yes,
not
yes.
comfortable with 9 a.m. So we shifted it to 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. It will be a 2 months duration, will be a very detailed course. And from this, actually, we got a repetitive request stating we need to, the people wanted more focus on dashboards. So, what we are doing is we are, from this batch, we are creating one dashboard a week. So, somewhere around 7 to 8 dashboards you'll be building in the total course duration.
Okay, and will you also cover the SQL part or only
SQL
Tableau?
will be giving recorded videos. We'll be focusing on Tableau more.
Tableau. Okay, I will call on this number separately. And
Great. Do
yeah,
call on
thank
the call and WhatsApp on that number. And first 1 week is actually free to access. Actually speaking, for first 1 week you can use the same link. This one, right? The same link will be there for the first 1 week of sessions. Those first 1 week free sessions. You can use the same link to join. Okay?
Okay, thank you. I will call on this number.
Definitely. Okay. Yeah, guys. Doubts? Thank you. And guys, please, if you have any friends or colleagues who are looking for Tableau training, please do refer our training. I don't know if you people, how many of you people actually know the dating. The training is going to be very detailed. Actually, it is 2 months training with daily almost 2 hours a day. And we are bringing certain changes where we are focusing on dashboard building as well, so that it will be easy for you people once you start working on your regular projects.
Rajeshwar, yeah, I have one same query.
Yeah.
One of my friend is in engineering college, and she wants to give the training of Tableau and Power BI to their student, third year and final year student. So, are you providing such trainings to the colleges?
We need to talk to them. So give her my number. Right?
Okay, your number. Okay.
Okay.
Have you
This
your
number, right? The same number. This one. Give her this number.
Just 1 minute. I will take a screenshot. Okay, I will send this number to her. She will contact you.
Great.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hi Rajesh.
Hi. Yeah.
Like I just have a doubt.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah. Let me share my screen. This is my personal laptop on this. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes. So I have created this drill down action. Oh, sorry.
I think you created action at the sheet level.
No, dashboard level only. Dashboard actions. When I click here it will show category wise, subcategory, sales. And when I see subcategory, when I click here for subcategory, it will show that state-wise sales and profit. When I unclick here, it will exclude everything. So this is what exactly I have created, and I have published this into the Tableau server. I think yesterday I pinged in Telegram also.
Oh, stating this action is not present.
Working.
Yeah, okay.
Yes. So this is the exactly which I have created the visualization, and I have published this into the Tableau server. And in Tableau server with my user ID, I can perform perfectly these actions. Okay. So, but when it comes to user, open Tableau server with their user ID and login password. So he is not able to see Like he are able to see, he is able to see from here to here, but when he click on subcategory, he is not able to see the state wise. So it's loading and it's stopping. So what's happening? I don't. In my desktop, in my Tableau server, it's performing well only. So
For
when it
him,
comes
he
to
cannot see the state.
yes, when you click here, it should show the state was sales and profit, right? It is not showing here. When he click here, it is loading and stopping here. The blank is coming again. But here the highlight is it is the same as. I don't know. But
Now,
in Tableau server, when I was open, it is showing the perfect one.
did you connect with that user and see if he is having that state level information there or not?
Yes, he like shared a screen and he's performed what I was seeing also.
No, like edit that workbook and see if that actual the state-wise information is coming or not. Or is there any user filter that is present that you have applied in that state level sheet?
No, I think we have not used any like a user filters in this. The before 1 week he was used to open this workbook, so he's the only person to use this workbook. But he was on leave 1 week, so after coming back, after 1 week, he's able to open this
Did
workbook.
you
But
try to publish the workbook with some other name and see if the same thing is happening?
some other names means
Like
the same
not the
workbook.
same link, but some
So,
other link. Some actually that should not be the case. If you are able to open, he should also be able to open. But only thing
exactly.
what I want you to check is in this, check the user filter.
User filter mean in dashboard level only we'll apply desktop whatever we'll do, right?
Yeah, if username is equal to
Yeah.
something your LDAP or something, you might have put that manually or something, which is causing this issue. See, there are
That's
only
the
two
issue.
things that can result in this. One thing is, first thing is, you have applied some user filter in this, or for him there is some data source filter that is getting applied at the state level, but again, that doesn't make any sense. Second thing is, he doesn't have access to that data. Is that a single table or a relationship?
Single table only. Single data source,
No,
single
man, then
table.
it should not at all give that problem. Not at all.
Suppose if we the first thing as you said is there might chances we have that user filter, and I can say that there is no user filter. The before he was used to open this workbook and he is like a the well and good he used the before. Okay, and the second
Then
thing is that this is the
okay,
one
one thing
data
is,
source and from one table only we are created these three sheets.
so for whatever he is clicking in there, the furnishings, whatever he is clicking,
Okay.
for that is the same value that you see for you.
Yes.
Then I'm not sure what is happening because
Yeah, that's what I was wondering actually.
so do
So
one thing, publish this with a different name workbook. If you change the name, the URL will change. I'm
yeah,
not saying
exactly.
something wonderful will happen and he'll all of a sudden start seeing, but see, this is something which we can't tell it from our side. Because when
Okay.
you're, see, what are the things that will prevent a user from opening that? First thing is he
Okay.
doesn't have access to data, or you are restricting his access to that sheet. Only two things can
Yeah.
happen, nothing else.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or the third thing is when he is clicking that action, a null is being passed to the state sheet. But if it is
Okay.
passing a value to you, it doesn't make
Mhm.
sense for him to pass a null value.
Okay.
So, to be frank,
So
here, unless until looking at that workbook when that user is seeing and then understanding that, other than that, I don't see any logical explanation for this.
I think when I was going through that Google, like I got one point like if we have any Boolean functions, it might chances affect the functionalities in Tableau server.
Can you come again? When you have any?
Like when we apply any Boolean functions into the filter and we have used any Boolean function into these sheets, So when we apply into the Tableau server, it might chances to change the functionalities like this is action, boolean, true or false. True or false function. If you use it.
So you are passing true or false in your filter action?
No, I have used and I have removed also. It is not needed.
Then it should not. Again, when it is a boolean field, when you are applying it in a sheet, it will show the records that he has access to. And when you are saying you both have the same access, then if you are able to see, he should also be able to see.
Okay. And one more thing, like it might chances to affect any the reason might be the version issues, the Tableau server version and the desktop version.
No, the version level differences will not be a problem, but in server version itself there might be an issue in that version. Might be causing, but it is a big might, right? Because we are not clear about that. Now,
Okay,
scenarios like these, without looking at them, it is 100% impossible to tell what the issue is. And sometimes it is not even possible to say what the issue is.
So once again I'll
do
publish
one thing,
it
right? Reach out to Tableau people directly.
Okay.
You can raise a ticket because you purchased your server and other editions from them, right? You can directly raise a ticket on that to Tableau people. Come contact your POC in your company with the Tableau. You can raise, they will come out and help you on this.
Where should I raise a ticket? I just don't understand. Sorry.
Pardon?
Where should I raise a ticket? In Tableau community or
not community? In your company there will be a POC who acted as liaison to get the Tableau, right? You need to contact him in order to raise the ticket.
Okay, I'll go to that. one. Sure. Thank you, Raj.
Thank you. Okay, guys. Last.
Rajesh, one small doubt.
Yeah.
That previous one only I just want to ask you. Are you getting my screen right, Rajesh?
Yeah.
Sir, Rajesh, as per you told, I went like lookup function, but why this is coming blank?
For first one, it will be blank, right? There is no previous value.
No, but in data there is there.
Wait. You have your previous value. Oh, wait.
Yeah,
No. Previous month. Again, here you are using previous month. Can you open your previous month sales? Again, you might have used. Okay, your date calculation is not letting you. Can you open that previous month calculation? Okay, date is your parameter, right here?
Yeah.
And then you got your current month and you got your previous month, right? For this, you see, if it is parameter, then you need not even use pre-lookup actually. You can get current month sales. Like, okay, let me share my screen.
Sure. It will be helpful for me.
Now here, this is my date parameter, right? The date parameter that you created. Let me open a new sheet.
Sure.
Now here, I am getting sales active. And for this current month sales, I've converted it date, right? Date of para. You can refer to this. This is the calculation that I've created. This parameter I've converted into date.
Okay.
Now, what I'll be doing is current month sale is if date diff of month, order date, date of para is equal to 0, then sales.
Okay.
Now this is my current month.
Okay.
Now I am bringing this in here. Now I am duplicating this, which is current months. Right? Let me duplicate this and edit where here I am using one for my previous months. Previous months. Now I'm bringing this in here. This is my previous months. If you want the difference, then this minus this, and it will give you this is your difference. Okay?
Okay, right.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Rajesh, one thing like, okay, I got it.
Okay. Okay, guys, I'll be taking one last out.
Okay.
One last out, guys. Okay, I don't think there are any more doubts. Okay, then we can meet tomorrow, same time, if you have any doubts. Okay?
Sure. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
we'll again meet tomorrow then.
Tableau not recorded, right?